the Milestone main office in Wabasca. I'm a civil engineer. We're a consulting firm. Our main background would be transportation engineering. So we do a lot of roads, anything that's tied with municipal work, such as subdivisions, water and sewer infrastructure, contract administration, tendering, contracting for any construction work that's related to municipal work. Skate parks, baseball diamonds, tennis courts, I think we've done 3 or 4 of them in the past few years. The golf course, clearing the road construction, access to it, water and sewer, lay out the buildings, the clubhouse, concrete testing, gravel testing on the parking lots, and a lot of little things that people don't see, don't imagine. Little projects such as line painting, crack sealing of roads, and maintaining those roads, making sure they last and they're safe to the public. Construction of new roads. And also we do a lot of surveying, GPS and total station. With our lab in Wabasca, we have ability to do gravel, concrete, clay, asphalt testing. So if it's density testing, if it's actually gradation on gravel. People see us as a small company, but we do grow from 5 people during slow winter times to a peak of 15, 18 people in the summers. We do a lot of big projects of great values, $10, $50 million projects. Some of those jobs go from design to tendering to construction. During construction, we do project management, project administration, depending on the type of work. A lot of inspections, survey layouts. Some of the inspections we do quality assurance on behalf of the client. Some of the jobs we do quality control. We get involved from the point of drawing on, scratching on a board to actually issuing the records of the completely constructed project. Some of those projects, such as the multi-rec center in Wabasca, designed by a different consultant. They require small consultants like us on site, doing testing, collecting as-built and records of where things are going in the ground. We are in Wabasca because we see the need for it. There's a lot of work that goes on in this community. It's a growing community. Early on, there was barely any water and sewer. If you go back 10, 15 years ago, most of the residential area didn't have water and sewer, didn't have paved roads. So we see an opportunity in this community where they need a lot of municipal infrastructure. Once you're here and you see the community, you actually love it for what it is. It's the lakes, the green forest around us. I like the quiet life. I was raised in the area, went to school in the community. I like being here. I enjoy being in small communities. So being close to the client is what we wanted to do. We're easy to access. We're part of the community. Since we live here, we take a lot of pride in what we do. If I build a playground, my kid's gonna be out there. If it's a boat launch we're constructing, I will enjoy taking my boat out there. You take pride in ownership as a citizen too, as a resident in that community, not just as somebody that comes, does the work and leaves. If you're gonna start a business, whatever it is, you just gotta have that trust in your abilities of what to do, because everybody knows they can do the work, but they're always afraid of making a mistake. Trust yourself, and if you have an idea that you think you can do, go for it. It is scary. There's times you reconsider, maybe you shouldn't have went for it. When that happens, just push, because eventually it'll work out for the best. If you have the heart, if you have the ability to do the work, you will get it done. A lot of people at first didn't believe in me. There was a lot of capital, a lot of money had to be invested, a lot of time had to be invested. It took a lot of time from my family, but eventually it turned around. You find the help you need, you find the employees, and you can actually manage and get going with it. Clients come to us because they like the work we do. They trust the quality that they get at the end.